Hi, my name is Sneha. I have got the new kitchen done with Ultrafresh over the modular kitchen because I had got a new house. So basically, we wanted a new, very sleek and modular, which really get organized well and still it doesn't look too gaudy. So I wanted a very basic, still aesthetic kitchen. My needs are very simple that I wanted whenever my kitchen is closed, it should look very neat and clean. I don't want anything messing around outside. So everything, the requirement as per I wanted my fruits or vegetables or whatever the crockeries or any of the kitchen utility, it all should go inside, which I felt everything was accommodated with the ultra fresh designs and everything, and I like the concepts of there. The finishing was good of the kitchen. The favorite features are the soft closing. Though even I love the fluted panels. The best part was my roller shutter thing, which I liked it. All my appliances are hidden well. The accessibility to the appliances is very nice. Perforated drawers, which we did for fruits and vegetables, even that stays well in the kitchen. So I don't have to. Anything is nothing displayed outside. So once my kitchen is shut down, it looks neat and tidy. The installation was done very neatly. The technical errors, yeah, there were some, but it was sorted out in the second or the third stage, like what we wanted, because as you know, the different kitchen needs different requirements. So accordingly, we had taken the step and it went well. It went smoothly. Please go for as you need, because the kitchen is a thing, it is totally your personalized. So you can get it personalized according to your own requirement. So go ahead, they will help you out to your fulfill your requirement and you'll end up with a good stuff.